this is our video on how to make a dream catcher. Step 1. Gather your materials. For extra decoration, feel free to use paint and beads. Step 2. Cut out the center of a paper plate. Step 3. Poke holes around the rim of the plate. You can use a hole puncher or a pin to make the holes. Step 4. Feed the yarn through the holes. Be creative. Run the yarn in any direction you choose. Optional step. Add beads to the ends of the yarn. Step 5. Tie knots at the end of the yarn. Step 6. Catch your dreams! Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.